Dear students, welcome to first lecture of Maths for Week 5. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define rational numbers, its relation with other numbers, and to arrange in descending order. Let's get started with today's topic. That is rational numbers. What are rational numbers? Let's first see some important numbers before starting rational numbers. Natural numbers. As we start from 1 and move along the number line from left to right, we find numbers and numbers. The simplest numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4. The numbers being used in counting. These are called natural numbers and denoted by n. The smallest natural number is 1, but there is no largest number as it goes up to infinity. It is represented by capital N. N equals 1, 2, 3.
Whole numbers are natural numbers including 0. Numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to so on are whole numbers. These numbers are denoted by capital W. The smallest whole number is 0. It is represented as W equals 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on.
Next is integers. These are whole numbers, including negative numbers. Integers are the set of numbers containing whole numbers and their opposites. Integers can either be positive integer, that are located at the right side of the number line. Negative integers, located at the left side of the number line, and has a negative sign. 0. Located in between positive and negative integer. In a number line, positive integers are located at the right side of 0 while the negative integers are located at the left side of 0. Look at the figure, now. Coming to main topic. That is rational numbers. These are numbers including integers and fractions. We can define it as a number in the form p by q, where p and q are both integers, and q is not equal to 0 is called a rational number. Division by 0 is not permissible. It is represented as shown by the collection of rational numbers is denoted by q. Rational comes from the word ratio, and q comes from the word quotient. All natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and fractions are rational numbers. For example, 6 can be written as 6 by 1. Here, p equals 6 and q equals 1. Similarly, -20 can also be written as -20 by 1. Here, p equals 20 and q equals 1. So, 6 and 20 are also rational numbers. Therefore, the rational numbers also include their natural numbers, whole numbers, and integer. Numbers which cannot be represented in their form p by q are called irrational numbers. For example, square root of 2 and pi
have a. Look on the relation of these numbers. Yellow rectangle represents the biggest set as universal set, which is set of real number. That includes rational numbers and irrational numbers. The rational numbers also include the natural numbers, whole numbers, integers.
Let's solve the first question of exercise 2a. Question is to state whether the following statements are true or false, and if any statement is false, then you have to correct the false statements. So, part A is 0 is a positive integer. Is it true or false? It's false. Why? Because 0 is an unsigned number. It is neither positive nor negative. Part B is to check if 4 is greater than minus 4404. It's true. Because we know positive numbers are greater than the negative number. Part E is to check. The set of whole numbers includes 0. It's true. Part F is set of integers is a subset of a set of whole numbers. Can you guess the answer to this? It's false because we have studied that set of whole numbers is a subset of the set of integers. Question 4 is to express each of the following as rational numbers. First step is convert decimal number to fraction. And then simplify fraction in lowest terms. Solve as shown here. Solve remaining parts on worksheet. Note down the complete question 1 and 4 on your notebook in sequence.